Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today is Apple release day once again. And today Apple released the long-awaited iPhone SE, or as it was rumored, iPhone 9. Okay, so the low-end 4.7-inch iPhone that has been rumored for quite a long time now has finally been released. It's finally named iPhone SE, and no, it doesn't have anything to do with this one, but rather with this one, which is the iPhone 8, even though this is the 8 Plus, but never mind. But yeah, so basically it is an iPhone 8 with iPhone 11 internals. So that's it, that's the video. Thank you for watching. No. Okay, I'm gonna give you some more details, but that's basically it. It features a 4.7-inch display at 326 pixels per inch, which is the same as the iPhone 8. It also features Touch ID to authenticate and the same bezels as the iPhone 8, so no Face ID to keep the costs down, and it also features wireless charging. But now this is where the things get a little more interesting. It features the same A13 Bionic chip, which is in the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. It features the same wide camera as the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, which is 12 megapixels, and it's capable of doing portrait mode and portrait lighting, even though it only has one camera. In fact, the portrait lighting is quite impressive because it has the same 6 effects as the iPhone 11 Pro. So for example, the 8 Plus with 2 cameras only has 5 of those effects, and the 10R, which was released later, I'm pretty sure only has 3. To go with those camera enhancements, the camera app is also the same as in the iPhone 11 series, with all the controls like play, touch to release, but of course it doesn't have the different lens changes because it only has one lens. It has up to 5 times digital zoom, because of course no more lenses, no optical zoom, and records video in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is actually a downgrade from the iPhone 8. Another downgrade, in my opinion, from the iPhone 8 is that, of course, it does not have 3D touch, but instead it has haptic touch, which is pretty much the long press. It has the same water resistance as the iPhone 8 as well, which is 1 meter for up to 30 minutes, rated at IP67, and features the latest connectivity standards, such as Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 6. Furthermore, it has dual SIM capabilities, which is actually, I kind of expected it when they updated to iOS 13.4, and they put the status bar in the control center, so that now you can display the 2 different carriers that you may have. And as it's stated in Apple's website, the battery lasts about the same as the iPhone 8. It is available in black, white and product red, and it starts at $399 for 64 gigabytes, and you can upgrade to 128 gigabytes for $50 more, so it would be $449, and then for $549 you can get 256 gigabytes. So that's about all the information. Now, the only noticeable change physically with the iPhone 8 is basically that the Apple logo is centered and there's no iPhone text anymore. In the European Union you get this labeling here because it's mandatory by regulation, but I'm pretty sure it will be mostly hidden like it's in the iPhone 11. But yeah, now on to my personal thoughts. So, I don't know about the US, I don't follow the prices and offers there, but in Spain this new iPhone is $489 for 64 gigabytes. Of course it has the latest enhancements, but I have been seeing a lot of offers for $600-ish for the iPhone 11. So basically that means that for 200 more euro you can get the iPhone 11 instead of an old looking iPhone 8, which has a bigger screen, an extra camera, and of course all Face ID and all the latest. It looks like a 2020 phone, not like a old phone with these huge bezels. So yeah, in my personal opinion, this iPhone is not really worth it. However, we will be seeing a lot of offers and discounts on it very soon, I'm assuming. Especially by Christmas you will be able to get a lot of good deals on this new iPhone, and I'm pretty sure it will sell very well, especially in Spain, where people usually don't spend a whole lot of money on smartphones, even though everyone has a smartphone. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna do very well. Also, it retains that iPhone 8 form factor, which I think is amazing. Like, this is the 8 Plus, but it's pretty big. But the iPhone 8, I think it's just the most comfortable iPhone ever to be held in the hand, because this one is almost too small. But yeah, the iPhone 8, I don't have any of those here, but the iPhone 8 for me is pretty much perfect. So yeah, that's my personal opinion, but what's your opinion? Do you like this iPhone? Are you gonna get it? Do you plan on getting another iPhone? Do you plan on waiting for the iPhone 12 series? Please let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more Apple related content coming every single week. And yeah, that's everything I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.